Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021. We're, of course, going to start in our morning work today, and we are going to turn all the way to the page where you see a fork and a cloud at the top. And as I said, you're going to write your name, and today is Thursday, so you're going to mark the Thursday and look at the weather outside. Circle today's weather. You're going to write the ending sounds for each picture. We have fork, cloud, bib, bowl. Okay, so fork, cloud, bib, bowl. And we're going to trace our sight words and then write them. This is eat, E-A-T, eat. Write it 3 times. This word is want, W-A-N-T, want, and write it 3 times. Next, we're going to do our syllables. We have lips and needle. Lips, needle. How many syllables do you hear? How many times does your chin go down if you put your hand under it? We're going to color the 2 pictures that rhyme. We have throne, mouse, cone. Throne, mouse, cone. Read the sentence and write it on the line below. I want some tea. Make sure you have a capital at the beginning, finger spaces between each word, and a period at the end so our words do not run away. After you're finished with your morning work, you're going to get out your TR page. TR says like tree. Okay, okay, so here we go. We have trash, treasure, tree, tray, pen. I'm going to call these trousers, which are a type of pants. Trousers, parrot, trumpet, and this is an instrument called a triangle because it kind of looks like a triangle. Train. This is a trap, trophy, tractor, pie up here in the corner. Ooh, there was lots of TR words. If you need to go back and listen, you can always rewind it and listen. All right, let's flip it over. And we know what we're going to do on the back. We're going to write our name, of course, and then we're going to get out our yellow crayon and we're going to color all the words that have TR at the beginning. Color the words with TR at the beginning, and don't forget to sound them out as well. Next, you're going to come down to our wheel and you are going to circle a word, write the word, and then you're going to color it to say that you are done with that one so you don't get confused about which one you're on. Circle it, write it, color it. Then you're going to come down to your word bank and you're going to fit each word into the correct boxes. So we have tall, short, short, tall. One of these has tall, short, short, tall. You're going to write it in and check it off or X it off, but just don't cross it out in case you make a mistake so you can still see it. All right. After this, boys and girls, you need to go on Raz Kids to the Level Up section, read a book, then listen to it, then take the quiz. If you need a grown-up's help reading the questions, they are allowed to read the questions and read the answers to you, but you need to figure out the answers yourself. All right. After that, boys and girls, we are going to do our math for the day, and we are counting to 20 right now. We're counting to 20 and writing the numbers 1 through 20 in order and correctly on the lines. So first, of course, you always write your name, capital at the beginning, lowercase after that, and then the directions say use the tens frames to help you count from 1 to 20. Write the number on the lines. This is a tens frame because it has 10 squares, and when they're all full, that means there are 10 of them. All right, so we're going to count the dots in the 10 frame. So here is 1 dot. So I'm going to write a 1 straight down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. And you're going to go all the way through, boys and girls, counting to make sure that the numbers match the numbers that you are writing. And down here you can see that now this tens frame is all full. So we don't have to count this one. We know that it's 10, and after 10 is 11. So we would write 11 down here. Okay, same thing for this one. We know that this has 10 in it. It's already full, so we can count 10, 11, 12. So we do not have to count every single one of these. That's the benefit of a tens frame. If it's all full, you know it means 10. All right, so let's try this one. This one is all full. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this one would be 19. All right, boys and girls, great counting today. Now you are going to go on iReady for 10 minutes on your path. When you're done with that, you're going to go on Epic and choose a properties story to read or listen to. And then you're going to get behind your orange tab and we're going to get out this describing properties sheet. And first thing you do is write your name. It says circle the object that does not belong in each group. This one's been done for us, but if we look here, we have a spoon, a fork, and a spoon. And this fork was circled because a fork is not the same as a spoon. This is a group of spoons with a fork in it. The fork does not go with the other two. So that's why this fork is circled. You'll need to circle the fork on yours. Now we look at group 2. There are 3 things. One of them does not go with the other 2. Circle the one that does not go with the other 2. And then down here, group 3, it has 3 things in it as well. Circle the one that does not go with the other 2. I will tell you there are a few choices. So as long as you know the answer of why it does not go with the other 2, you can choose that. You'll have to be able to tell us when you come back next week. All right, so choose the one that you think does not go, and we want to know why next week. All right, now you are not done, boys and girls. On the back of your paper, you're going to draw one more thing that goes with group 1, one more thing that goes with group 2, and one more thing that goes with group 3. So you are going to turn your paper over, and you're going to draw a 1, and I think a spoon would go with another spoon. So maybe we draw a wooden spoon. That's another type of spoon that could go with it. So you do a 1 and draw a spoon. And if you look, you can kind of see the box here from the section 1 on the other side. And then a 2 can go here. And you can draw something else that goes with the 2 objects on the front in group 2. And here's a number 3, and here's the box for number 3. We can kind of see it through our paper. Draw something else that goes with the group that you chose on the other side for number 3. And remember, we want to know why you picked that one. Okay, boys and girls? You did a great job sorting your properties today. I will see you next week. Bye.